Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of AUDCHF on daily time frame. This pair is in downtrend and especially today is a very important day, the 1st August, and it was the day when the interest rate decision was by Reserve Bank of Australia. Now that I want to share with you what they have decided today. Today they have decided to keep the uh, interest rate at same level at 4.1. At its meeting today, the board decided to leave the cash rate target unchanged at 4.10. So, and the forecast was that they are going to uh, raise this 25 basis points from 1.0% to 1.35%. They did not decide according to the forecast. So they did not change it, and it is uh, uh, dovish for Australian dollar. And now let us move to the chart and watch the effects of that news. So now let us zoom in, watch its 1st August, how it has fallen down after this news that the Australian dollar interest rate is unchanged by Reserve Bank Australia. And before this, we had the news, we had the interest rate decision of the CHF on 22 June that I want to show you here. Now it is the monetary policy of the uh, bank, Swiss National Bank. Now on the 22nd June, they have increased the rate by 0.25 percentage from 1.50 to 1.75%. So the bank, this bank, Swiss National Bank for CHF is hawkish, and not only they increase the rates, but also they clearly mentioned in the current environment the focus is on selling foreign currency, and also it was shown that on the next date in on the 21st September they intend to increase the rate again. So this is the Swiss National Bank, and now let us move to the chart once again. On the chart here we see which was the day, that was the 22nd June when they have raised the rate. This was the day. From the 22 June this pair was coming down, and before this, between these 2 days, 1st August and the 22 June, there was one also important day, that was the 4th July. When, yes, this is the day, when the Reserve Bank of Australia decided not to raise the rates. They kept same 1.40. So due to these two reasons, one decision on the 22nd June of Swiss National Bank, and the second here it was decided by Reserve Bank of Australia, the pair came down. After this, we have got this news on the 1st August when Reserve Bank of Australia increased the rates, so it is coming down. And now the next important dates for this pair, uh, according to monetary policies, are 2 days. Two dates. 5th September is the date when Reserve Bank of Australia is again going to decide the interest rate, and the 21st September when uh, the Bank of Swiss National Bank is going to decide for interest rate. So before that we have clear downward signal. Now let us watch this on the levels. Let me show you here. From here this pair was coming down, went up, coming down, down. This level, watch, which has been retested. This was a level which was support here, went back, support here, resistance here, and once again it has worked as resistance. Now we have daily support at this level, but do we expect that this level will be broken to the downward or not? Now let me show you. Let us zoom in and put another horizontal line here. This level was broken from, this was the support after consolidation for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th day it was broken. And after breaking this pair went to retest this level. So this is a strong resistance and it is sending this pair downward, and it is high probability that up to, we can say that up to 5 September this is expected to go down. But how much, now we will have to watch the levels on monthly as well as, now monthly level it has broken to the downward. This is the level it is expected to be broken. So August is expected to go down too. And this is a wick, so we have down support very downward. On the weekly time frame though, we can find some support in the previous downward move. Now we have support if we want to see the support somewhere here. So it is at 0.57710. So we expect that this month or the next month even could go to this level. Now let us zoom here. This is a weekly support that we are expecting to work here. And on the weekly time frame, let us here zoom in and watch here. On the weekly time frame, this level was a support. It went up, and after breaking this, it worked as a bit for a time. It as support, then broke down, retested and came down. Once again retested here, and now after making a wick, this pair is coming down. Now where do we expect to get the entry for sale? It was better to enter here at the time of the news. But now where do we find? I'm trying my best, but it is really very difficult to find the exact entry. Sometimes we miss them, sometimes we get them. But I think that this pair is expected to, after this support again going back to this level, or either once again will go to retest this level and then break to the downward. In all conditions, we will have to put a stop loss above this level. So this is the entry, and now let us move to the daily time frame for putting the, because we don't have any option. This is the entry. This can be take profit, but stop loss. Do we have better stop loss? Can we take the risk of stop loss at this level? Now let us analyze this for a stop loss. Now yes, this is also a good level. This was this was week here, this was support here, and on the 4 hour time frame, let us watch how this level looks like. How this level is, even we can get some, I think, entry also here. So if you want to put the stop loss above this level, it is also possible. Yes, I think now we should put the stop loss not to just above this level, I think. Now let me adjust this. Now how do we set the stop loss above this level? Somewhere here. Okay, now it has been, now it looks better, I think. This is entry. Is it good entry, or we can have here entry, because it's too difficult to decide. I think it is a better entry. Okay, now this is the entry, and this is the first take profit. This is the stop loss. Now let us move to the uh, daily time frame. On the daily time frame, now we will have to go to the weekly time frame, because we have put here somewhere. Now this is the level that is expected to the last take profit. Now if we are going to adjust this, now let me show, put the uh, short position here, short position here, short here, and this is the lost take profit. And for more take profit options, this is the, let me adjust this, because here we have the stop loss. This is entry. So yes, this is entry. This is the stop loss. But if you are not comfortable with, you can make it a bit set by yourself. I'm trying my best to give you the levels, but these markets are quite uncertain. So I think this is the entry. You can enter right now even. It's all up to you. Now, if you enter here, then this is the first take profit. But if you are entering right now, then you will have to take profit below this level. Now let us move to adjust other take profit options. Um, now, now let me show you. Now this is a gap. In this gap, we can have more take profit options. Now let me show you. One is this level. We have the take profit option, and one in between these. Let me adjust this one also in between here. Now, and let me set it up to this level. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.